Hi, I'm Triambika, pursuing architecture in CAD. The Splash, a theme boutique hotel. Site analysis. The site is located in Poonamali Highway, Chennai, with an area of 46,000 square meter, a west-facing plot. The entire hotel revolves around the concept of waves and beach. The site context also supports with an idea of water feature in it. Waves being the main focus is modulated and mismatched with basic shapes to generate an unbounded form. Conceptual ideas. Abu Sawawa Portico, a live case study. Mood boards. The site has a diagonal entry that leads towards the building. Splash facilitates 160 car parking and 178 bike parking. The site plan is divided into 5 parts in which the main building serves most of the purpose. The swimming pool plays a vital role in the design as it is the main focal point of the entire site. As the design revolves around a wavy theme and a beachy scenario, a big importance is given to the spa and the saloon. 5 villas in the ground level makes the user feel a resort islanded by water. The last come the wavy beach within real experiencing of a coastal line. The site also has a service entry and exit. All these zones are connected by a cycling path. The spa is cleaved into 4 areas for men's, women's, couples and a meditating space. The villa rooms. The Splash offers 5 luxury villa rooms with 3 bedrooms, hall, dining and a private pool area. These rooms are islanded with water in it. It also has a private swimming pool. The ground floor facilitates the main entry from the drop-off zone and a service entry from a pool area. The ground floor has 6 lift courses and 2 lift courses near the pool area. The front office facilitates CCTV security, general manager, banquet manager, manager cabins, garden storages, purchasing and receiving office. It also provisions 24/7 coffee bar, a VIP lounge, restaurant with supporting kitchen, staff entry and exit area. The first floor has a 3 banquet hall accompanied with banquet kitchen and storages, a showroom, a bar, and a ballroom in it. The second floor facilitates open garden, open cafe, a gym, 2 ballrooms, a banquet, and 3 conference hall with staff lounges in it. 3 to 7 floors are fully loaded with rooms. There are 8 types of rooms in this hotel, such as single, twin, double, luxury double, quad, suite, adjoining and presidential suite. Each floor contains 19 rooms in it. The entire hotel contains 100 rooms in it. Some of the room layouts. The 8th floor has the entire building services. This floor ensures the whole building security and service, namely electrical, mechanical, laundry, water for drinking and boiling, HVAC services. Thank you.